Today we're in Swarthmoor, which is just outside Ulverston, between Ulverston and Barrow-in-Furness, and we're on Housing Estate, where we've actually got, this week we've got 3 properties to soft wash, and this is what we've got to do. This gable end looks really badly stained. The front of it, and I'll wander around to the back to show you what we're doing there. So I came about a week ago and did a test patch. Don't know whether you can see that there, this bit here. So I did that bit there, and got this garage to do it. Gable end doesn't look too bad, but obviously it does need cleaning. Around the back. Quite a lot of algae on there, and about 4 years ago we did our first property on this estate, and we were put in the local paper because a lot of people thought that the staining, particularly the red staining, the Trento Pilia, they thought that it was salt, and we commented, actually, we said that no, it wasn't algae, and from that we then got asked to clean a property, and we got put in the Barrow-in-Furness mail paper, and from that we've been asked to do quite a few on here. And as I say, this week we've got 3 to do, 3 on this estate. So let's see how we get on with this one. property now, and I'll show you what it's looking like. So the gable's still wet actually. We put a biocide on that and just left it on. But as it's drying, it's getting lighter and lighter. And the back of the garage, again still drying. This gable end. And the gable end, which was particularly bad. And because we're on this estate for a few days, we've got another couple of properties to do. We must probably come back and I'll film this just to show you the complete contrast. So this is 2 days later and the walls are really starting to dry. So this is the gable end. We're getting this wall here. And if there are any dead spores on here, they will clear by natural weathering. And the back of the garage, as you saw before, that was still damp, but that's now dried out, and the gable end looks really good. Looks like it's still actually drying a bit. And the front. And I'll wander around to the gable end. And that's looking really good. And this gable end, drying all the time, but it's looking a hell of a lot better than it did. So we've definitely transformed this property. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please press subscribe and press the like button.